Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best carbon steel woks that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook looking to elevate your stir-fry game, this countdown will help you find the perfect wok for your needs. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Craft Wok Traditional Hand-Hammered Chinese Carbon Steel Wok. This 14-inch wok is a classic choice for those who want an authentic cooking experience. Its round-bottom design is perfect for gas stovetops and open flames, delivering exceptional heat distribution for that coveted wok hay flavor. Hand-hammered by artisans in Guangzhou, this wok maintains a traditional design that professional chefs swear by. The build quality is impressive, featuring 15-gauge 1.8mm carbon steel that feels solid and sturdy. It also includes a wooden main handle and a steel helper handle, both designed to stay cool during high-heat cooking. However, the round bottom makes it incompatible with flat electric or induction stoves, so make sure your setup matches its design. While you'll need to season it properly before use, once seasoned, it develops a natural, non-stick surface that enhances both flavor and performance. This wok is ideal for those looking to master traditional stir-frying techniques. However, the maintenance requirements, including hand washing and regular seasoning, may not appeal to everyone. If you're serious about Asian cooking and have the right type of stovetop, this wok is a fantastic addition to your kitchen. Pros: authentic craftsmanship, excellent heat distribution, and durable design. Cons: not compatible with flat stovetops and requires regular maintenance. Coming in at number 4 is the Babish Carbon Steel Flat Bottom Wok and Stir-Fry Pan. This 14-inch wok is a versatile choice with a flat bottom, making it compatible with a wide range of stovetops, including induction, gas, and electric. Made from heavy-gauge carbon steel, it heats up quickly and evenly, ensuring your stir-fry dishes come out perfectly every time. The design includes riveted wooden handles that stay cool to the touch, making it easy and safe to maneuver during high-heat cooking. While it requires seasoning before use, the wok efficiently absorbs oil to develop a natural non-stick layer over time. This makes it great for stir-frying, sautéing, and even deep-frying. The Babish wok is durable and built to last, but it's worth noting that it must be hand-washed and requires regular reseasoning to maintain its performance. This wok is an excellent option for home cooks who want a flat-bottom design for easier use on modern stovetops. Its combination of convenience and performance makes it a strong contender. Pros: flat-bottom design for compatibility, even heat distribution, and sturdy build. Cons: requires seasoning and ongoing maintenance, and it's not dishwasher safe. At number 3, we have the Toadlabe Carbon Steel Wok, a feature-packed option that brings convenience and versatility to your kitchen. This 13-inch wok comes with a transparent glass lid and a silicone spatula, making it a complete set for both beginners and experienced cooks. The glass lid allows you to monitor your cooking without lifting it, which is great for steaming and braising. The wok is pre-seasoned at high temperatures, ensuring a solid start to its natural non-stick properties. It's lightweight at just 3.15 pounds, making it easy to handle, and the ergonomic wooden handle provides a comfortable grip. The flat bottom design makes it compatible with all stovetops, including induction, gas, and electric. However, while it's pre-seasoned, it will require additional seasoning over time to maintain its non-stick surface. This wok is perfect for those who value versatility and ease of use. The included lid and spatula make it a convenient option for a variety of cooking techniques, from stir-frying to deep-frying. Pros: comes with a glass lid and spatula, flat bottom design for universal compatibility, and lightweight. Cons: may not be as durable as heavier options and requires ongoing seasoning. At number 2, we have the Yosukata 13.5-inch Carbon Steel Wok Pan, a pre-seasoned wok that combines traditional craftsmanship with modern convenience. This wok is designed to lock in authentic Asian flavors, making it ideal for dishes like stir-fries, curries, and even barbecue. Its flat-bottom design ensures compatibility with induction, gas, and electric stovetops, giving you flexibility in where you cook. Made from high-grade black carbon steel, the Yosukata wok is heavy-duty yet lightweight, weighing just 3.6 pounds. The ergonomic wooden handle provides a secure grip, and the pre-seasoning process at 600 degrees Fahrenheit gives you a head start in building a natural non-stick layer. However, like all carbon steel woks, it will require additional seasoning over time for optimal performance. This wok is perfect for those who want a multifunctional cooking tool that's easy to handle and delivers great results. Whether you're stir-frying, deep-frying, or grilling, the Yosukata wok won't disappoint. Pros: pre-seasoned for convenience, flat-bottom design for universal compatibility, and lightweight. Cons: requires regular seasoning and is not dishwasher safe. Finally, at the number 1 spot, we have the Yosukata 13.5-inch blue carbon steel wok pan. This wok offers the perfect balance of durability, performance, and style. The hand-hammered design not only looks stunning, but also ensures exceptional heat distribution for perfectly cooked meals. Its flat-bottom design makes it compatible with a variety of stovetops, including induction, gas, and ceramic. The wok is pre-seasoned at 600 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can start cooking right out of the box, but it will still benefit from further seasoning over time. The long wooden handle is securely fixed and provides excellent control even during high-heat cooking. Weighing 6 pounds, it's a bit heavier than some competitors, but this adds to its sturdy and premium feel. The blue carbon steel finish is a unique touch that sets it apart from other woks in terms of design. This wok is ideal for those who want a premium option that performs well across a range of cooking techniques. Whether you're stir-frying, braising, or searing, this wok delivers outstanding results. Pros: premium design, excellent heat distribution, and pre-seasoned for convenience. Cons: heavier than other options and requires maintenance to prevent rust. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.